I am Miguel. Today I am going to tell. It's my birthday today, guys. That's right, guys. Today is my birthday, and no, it's not a joke. I know it's quite a peculiar day to have a birthday, but it is April 1st. Not a joke, guys. I'm serious. But yes, it is my birthday today, and I wanted to say I'm sorry for such a long break, guys, on YouTube. I have not uploaded for a very long time. 3 weeks, guys. I decided to take a break for my birthday this year. I did not get a very long break for my last birthday, so I wanted to just hang out with the rambunctious roadies and have a good time playing Minecraft and Roblox and eating Doritos and hot dogs and everything, guys. So yes, I took a very long break. Last year I did not get a long break for my birthday, guys. But I turned 41 today. It's unbelievable. I started my YouTube channel when I was 39. I almost forgot my age. 39, guys, is the age I was when I started my channel in 2019, guys. Can you believe it? It's been 2 years on YouTube, guys. Well, three ages. 39, 40, 41, but 2 years because I started in June or July of 2019. So very soon, in a few months, guys, it will be exactly 2 years on YouTube. It's unbelievable. And guys, today I have hit 71 subscribers! I am Miguel! 71 subscribers! I never imagined this, guys. I thought I would stay at 5 subscribers forever. But guys, this is insane! We must celebrate! Yes! 71 subs, guys! I'm on the road to 100. So please subscribe if you want to see more incredible content like this right here. But as you can see, I'm on the old Reddit right here. I'm not on Reddit very much. As you can see, I have 32 karma, I guess is what it is. So here I am. And as you can see, quite the embarrassment right here. I forgot to put the S at the end of guys, but I edited this and said this right here. For some reason I cannot change the title. I tried. As you can see, I can only change this right here, the text. So yes, and I saw this up here and I was like, what is this? And I got the helpful award, and somebody gave me a helpful award, guys. So whoever that was, thank you. And right here, Andrew the Third, my biggest fan here, this is him. And he made this incredible thing. It's an icon or avatar for Reddit. And as you can see here, I have changed my profile picture to this icon here. And I told him this, and I gave him this award too. Once I found out about the helpful award, I saw there was a free thing up here, and I did it, and I got this incredible Hugs award, so I gave it to Andrew here, and told him this. And I did. This is super cool. Look at this, guys. It looks just like me. Brown eyes, the black beard, bald, and shirtless. Ha! Incredible, guys. This is super cool. Good job to Andrew the Third for this. And as you can see, I must start upvoting these things. As you can see, I have a very lively Reddit here. We have this and this. This. Here's my first post. I need to be more active on Reddit, guys. I'm not very active, like I said. But yes, guys, this video, the point of this video is to tell you that I've been on a break for my birthday. I'm 41. It's crazy! And I got 71 subscribers. It's crazy. I remember, literally, last February of 2020, I literally wrote a song called 30 Subscribers. A year ago, I had 30. What? That's many in 1 year, guys. 30 subscribers is such a big deal. 30 subscribers with a feel. Guys, it's crazy. I cannot believe it. I've gotten so many subscribers. Over 30 in 1 year. And I remember my first song ever called I Am Miguel. One of the lines was, I am Miguel today. I am going to tell. I play Roblox, hey, ring the bell. I work at criminals.org. We catch lots of clooks, and I have the good looks. Hey, and I mentioned how I have 5 subscribers and I look like a noob. Oh, the days, guys, I cannot believe it. But yes, my first song I had 5 subscribers, guys, and now I have 71. Can you believe this? This channel has gone crazy. So yes, guys, I wanted to say that's the break I was taking for my birthday, and I'll be back uploading very soon, and hopefully posting more on the Reddit here, and giving more awards out to Ander the Megaturd. Yes, guys, Ander the Megaturd, that is his nickname. I heard from my friend here, his name is Swag, code name there. He told me Ander's name is Ander the Turd, what he calls him. At first I thought he was a little rude, but then I realized it's all fun and games. It's a joke. So Ander the Third slash Megaturd, thank you for this. He's my biggest fan. Not calling you a turd, by the way. I'm just calling you by your nickname. So yes, guys, that is it. Alright, so that's the end of my video. I'll be uploading very soon, guys. Hopefully doing more videos with Andrew, his name is, I think, Andrew Yeet on YouTube, and his friend Clark Yeet on YouTube too. So yes, guys, thanks for watching. More content coming soon. Goodbye!